Folding channel letters by hand is a slow, tedious process. When time is money, you have to find shortcuts wherever you can. The biggest time killer in this process is waiting for glue to dry. We opted on using gelled superglue, hoping that would provide a quick bond. However, it still took more than 15 minutes to dry. After a bit of research, we found that pretty much any alkaline substance will instantly dry superglue. We ended up using a diluted liquid chlorine to create a practically instant bond. Do a quick search for baking soda and superglue and do some fun experiments with your kids.